Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you your ultimate guide to using AI in editing 2026, a complete walkthrough. Alright guys, so AI has actually changed the video and editing scene in 2026, and in this video I'll show you how to use AI to edit faster, smarter, more professionally, even if you're a beginner. So, the first thing we need to understand about editing and making use of AI is the basics. AI now handles most of the hard work in any editing platform, be it video or photo editing. Tools like CapCut AI, which I am on Canva, I am on Canva currently, but there is CapCut AI. We have CapCut AI, Canva AI, Descript, Adobe Premiere AI. They can all auto cut silence, remove mistakes, and add smooth transitions and resize videos for short reels and TikTok. So I'll be showing you this in Canva AI, in CapCut AI. Basically, if you were to open up CapCut right now and simply sign into your pro account, you would have access to all the pro features. So there are a lot of pro features that are hidden inside of CapCut that you would need to access. Like the AI video maker. This is actually available if you have a pro account. You can make use of an AI video maker. You give it a prompt and it's then going to generate the video you require. We also have long videos to shorts. So you can also utilize this feature of CapCut to simply create shorts from your long videos. So you can post an entire 1 hour clip and then give the AI some time. It's going to take out the key moments from those clips and turn them into viral reels for you. We also have an AI video. So AI videos are now powered by Seed Dance or C Dance. Basically, you can still write prompts. It's basically the same thing here. You could write a prompt and it would create whatever you need from either a picture or the prompt itself. We also have AI image. I haven't checked this out, but I believe it's going to be the same generation feature. And then an interesting thing that I haven't really seen is video translator. So basically, you could have a video in an entirely different language, and the AI inside of CapCut would help you convert it into a language you can understand with synced lip movements, basically. So it's not going to sound wonky or off. And then AI dialogue scene. So you can make a character in your photo talk, sing, or react. So basically, it takes your entire picture to the next step. Basically, that's what it does. And then we have AI fashion model. So you can turn your clothing photos into a one model click images. Basically, this just means if you have a photo and you'd like to try out different outfits and see how it would look on you, you could actually, you know, use this tool. And then the last tool here is the text to speech. So you can turn the text into a natural sounding speech in a variety of voices. So you can get an AI voiced over clip or speech from CapCut. And then we have image editing, create with AI, and marketing tools. So in the marketing section, I haven't checked this out, but with the create with AI option, we have already taken a look at that. Nano Banana is not available. So Nano Banana Pro is they partnered with CapCut to create some of the AI features we are now using and subsequently would enjoy. All right, guys. So basically, this is what everything looks like. This is how you can make use of the AI features on CapCut. You just need to curate your video depending on what you want to accomplish. If you want your long videos into short, you make use of the tool. If you want to translate the audio in your video into a different language, you can do that too. If you want an AI dialogue scene, it's available. If you want text to speech, it's there. If you want speech to text, it's also available on CapCut. All right, so moving on from CapCut to the other AI tool, we have Canva. So Canva is one of the best platforms if you want to engage in photo editing. They are the champions of that, and you can accomplish a lot basically. When it comes to AI captions and subtitles, CapCut will do it for you. All right, so another thing you can test out is the AI captions and subtitles that are available on CapCut. So CapCut has a variety, like I said, of tools that are also hidden within the platform you can simply enjoy By just simply opening up one of your projects, you can make use of the AI captions and subtitles. If you open up a video, let's say you open up a draft, you can use tools like CapCut, Vid, or Subtitles AI to simply auto-generate subtitles for your content. This takes a few seconds and would increase your sub time and would increase your watch time. Here we go. This is it. And then you can generate using AI. Where we head into text, you can actually get some subtitles from the existing video. You can use text effects, I believe. If you click on this drop down, you can have some text appear here. All right, if you head over to auto captions, you can create an auto caption for. All right, guys. So in order to add captions or subtitles to your video, just head over to where we have auto captions, and then the spoken language if it's English, and then there's a bilingual caption. This is a pro feature, so you can have more than one subtitle type available, and then you can also identify filler words and cut them out. And then you just need to click generate, and it will do that for your video. All right, so that's one of the tools you can enjoy on CapCut. Now, a tool you can enjoy on Canva AI is the AI background removal. So you don't need a green screen. AI tools like Runway or Canva can help you remove your backgrounds, replace scenes, and add a cinematic blur, all by just simply heading over to Canva AI or canva.com/AI. And then you can simply design an image, edit an image, a document, even write a line of code, or even get a video clip. But that is a pro feature. Now, in order to get something like your background removed, all you need to do is just open up a project, or instead of opening up a project, you could basically open up any of your work and then simply remove the background. Get the rag, so you can get the background removed automatically. You can get the background removed automatically if you just simply one of your select one of your works, and then you can just remove the background automatically using the AI effects. In order to do this, just simply click on the image, and then where we have the background, sometimes it's a background color, but if it is a photo, you can get the background removed. For some certain types of photos, the background can just be simply removed when they are uploaded on Canva using the upload feature. If you upload them, and you can just simply click on remove background. So let's go ahead and select a photo you would like to remove the background of, and then you could just simply have a background removed instantaneously. All right, an image like this, when uploaded to your Canva, all you need to do is just select the image. It's going to highlight in purple, and then click on background remover. But this is a pro feature, so you may need to pay for this service in order to enjoy it. Most AI features are paid, so please take note of that. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily make use of AI when it comes to editing, whether it's photo editing or video editing. There are tools that are available for use. All you need to do is just watch the tutorial. All you need to do is just engage with the tools and get your content created and edited. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.